In this section, we will talk about the SD-WAN. A software-defined wide area network, guys, SD-WAN is a virtual WAN architecture that allows enterprises to leverage any combination of transport services, including the MPLS, LTE, and broadband internet services to securely connect users to applications. An SD-WAN uses a centralized control function to securely and intelligently direct traffic across the wide area network. This increases the application performance and resulting in enhanced user experience, increased business productivity, and reduced costs for IT. Cisco currently offers two software-defined WAN solutions, and the first one is SD-WAN based on vTela. This is the preferred solution for organizations that require an SD-WAN solution with cloud-based initiatives that provides granular segmentation, advanced routing, advanced security, and complex topologies while connecting to cloud instances. And the second option is Meraki SD-WAN, and this is the recommended solution for organizations that require unified threat management solutions with SD-WAN functionality, or that are the existing Cisco Meraki customers looking to expand to SD-WAN. UTM is an all-in-one security solution delivered in a single appliance and typically includes the security features such as firewall, VPN, intrusion prevention, antivirus, and anti-spam. So, Cisco SD-WAN, which means the SD-WAN based on vTela, this one, guys, is a cloud delivery overlay WAN architecture that facilitates digital and cloud transformation for enterprises. As you can see on the screen, SD-WAN can be used to provide secure connectivity to remote offices, branch offices, campus networks, data centers, and the cloud over any type of IP-based underlay transport network such as Internet, 4G LTE, and the MPLS. Also, the figure is illustrating how some of the components to manage the SD-WAN fabric can be deployed on a data center, private cloud, or the public cloud. The Cisco SD-WAN solution has four main components and an optional analytics service. And they are vManage Network Management System, which is known also as the NMS, vSMART controller, SD-WAN routers, VBOND orchestrator, and the vAnalytics. The vManage NMS is a single pane of glass network management system, GUI, that is used to configure and manage the full SD-WAN solution. It enables centralized provisioning and simplifies the network changes. vSMART controllers, which are the brains of the SD-WAN solution, have pre-installed credentials that allow them to authenticate every SD-WAN router that comes online. These credentials ensure that only authenticated devices are allowed access to the SD-WAN fabric. After successful authentication, each vSMART controller establishes a permanent DTLS tunnel to each SD-WAN router in the SD-WAN fabric and uses these tunnels to establish overlay management protocol neighborship with each SD-WAN router. This protocol is a proprietary routing protocol similar to BGP that can advertise routes, next hops, keys, and the policy information needed to establish and maintain SD-WAN fabric. The vSMART controller processes the OMP routes learned from the SD-WAN routers to determine the network topology and calculate the best routes to network destinations. Then it advertises the reachability information learned from these routes to all the SD-WAN routers in the SD-WAN fabric. vSMART controllers also implement all the control plane policies created on vManage, such as service chaining, traffic engineering, and segmentation per VPN topology. Cisco SD-WAN routers deliver the essential WAN, security, and multi-cloud capabilities of the Cisco SD-WAN solution, and they are available as hardware, software, cloud, or virtualized routers that sit at the perimeter of a site such as a remote office, branch office, campus, or data center. SD-WAN routers, guys, support standard router features such as OSPF, BGP, QoS, routing policies, in addition to SD-WAN overlay control and data plane functions. There are two different SD-WAN router options available for Cisco SD-WAN, and they are vEdge and the cEdge. vEdge is the original viptela platforms using viptela software, and cEdge is the viptela software integrated with Cisco IOS XE. When it comes to the VBOND orchestrator, the VBOND orchestrator authenticates the vSMART controllers and the SD-WAN routers and orchestrates connectivity between them. It is the only device that must have a public IP address so that all the SD-WAN devices in the network can connect to it. A VBOND orchestrator is an SD-WAN router that only performs VBOND orchestrator functions. The major components of the VBOND orchestrator are control plane connection, NAT traversal, and the load balancing. vAnalytics is an optional analytics and assurance service that I mentioned at the beginning that has many advanced capabilities, including the visibility into applications and infrastructure across the wide area network, forecasting and what-if analysis, intelligent recommendations as well.